this is our third of 4 programs that we are doing over the summer. Our primary target is underserved and underrepresented students moving up to the 9th through 12th grade students. We immerse them in all type of aviation-related career fields. We take them on tours of airports, Air Force Base, also the College of Engineering at Wayne State University, and expose them to various aerospace careers.
When I first heard about the ACE program, I was really excited. I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do after high school. I had like a bunch of ideas all over the place, especially when it came to like aviation. I just didn't know where to start. I didn't expect it to be as like well organized or as great as it was, to be honest, but it truly was. My favorite part was definitely going to the airport and seeing the air traffic tower, for sure. And I don't think that I would have ever been able to experience that had I not been here.
I learned about a lot of careers that I didn't already know. A lot, like we went to the airport, we went to Selfridge and the Metro City Airport, and they both had fire departments, which isn't like a job you would think of. And you normally think of like pilots and maybe air traffic controllers, but there's also like police officers there and other individuals who help run the entire system, help it run smoothly.
The first day, I will be honest, it was a little shaky. I was a little skeptical about it. But as this continuous days went on, I began to enjoy it even more and more, met great people, learned some more information that's very substantial to me, and learned some new facts that I didn't even know that was possible. Especially because you're told to go to college, go straight to college, get your degree, go into a job, and then by then you could be about maybe 23, 24-ish. But a lot of times in aviation, I'm like, wow, you go straight out of high school and then you could take your training for about a year or 2, and then you're making 6 figures by at least maybe 20 or 21.
Throughout the week, we had multiple speakers come in teaching us important skills about how to market ourselves and how to make ourselves better towards people and show that we care and that we actually want to do what we're doing. I came into this program wanting to be a pilot, and I still want to be a pilot, but this program really helped me show like what goes into flying. And it's not just flying the plane, there's a lot more to it.
Each student, after the plane was able to take off, got a chance to fly and control the aircraft. In many cases, this was the first time some of these students have ever been in an aircraft, and for most of them also a private aircraft as well. My background is I've been in aviation for over 30 years. This camp has been in existence for over 30 years. I've been a program director for about 25 years. And this is a major impact to the next generation of aviation professionals.